Hey tech buddies, welcome back to IMS Coding. Colors are very important in web development. They make a website look beautiful, engaging and user-friendly. So in this today's video, we are going to play with colors in CSS. So without wasting any time, let's jump in. Now, I am going to create a new HTML file for colors. Colors.html. Get a basic HTML syntax using doc keyword. In the body, let's create some element to apply colors. So I am creating a heading, IMS Coding. Let's create one more element, paragraph, get some random text using lorem, and here type how many words you want. So I am typing here 60. Perfect. Now here I am going to use internal CSS. Add a style tag, and inside this we can write our CSS. Let's create a class. I am naming it color, and inside curly braces set the value of color to red. Okay. Now let's apply this to our heading and paragraph. Add class attribute and I am setting its value to color. Same for paragraph element, class color. Let's view this in the browser. See here, we have successfully applied red color to our elements. Now let's see some other ways to add colors. We can also get the color by using RGB. So let's comment this property. In CSS, to comment something, type slash and then asterisk, and to close the comment, asterisk followed by slash. So we have commented our color property. Let's set the color again, and this time we are going to use RGB method. So type RGB. Now this is like a function, so it will take three values: red, green and blue. We need to provide here some values in numbers. So I am setting all to 0. So currently we haven't applied any color. Let's change this to 250, and now the color is changed to green. So we have also a color picker in Visual Studio Code. You can get the values of RGB from here. You just need to adjust from here. It's a UI based color picker. So this was the second method of getting color. Now let's see the last method. Let's comment it again. Okay, so comment means our browser will ignore these properties. Now let's add color property again, and this time we are going to use the hex color method. So what is hex color method? We can give here some hex code, FFX. Now see here, Visual Studio Code also providing hex color picker here, over here, and you can see the hex color picker. Choose the color of your choice, and then it will give us the hex color code. Now there is also a website to pick the hex color. So I'm going to Google and typing here hex color picker. Yeah, so here you will find hex color code. Choose the color and then copy this hex color code and paste it here. Yeah, the color is successfully applied, but in web development, we rarely use this hex color code method. In most of cases, you will use these two methods. Now let's apply background color. So I am adding background color property and setting its value to purple. Yeah, background color is visible, but our heading color is looking weird. So let's change it. So I am changing it to green. Okay, so I hope you understood these three ways to pick colors. We are going to play with colors in our upcoming videos. We will more focus on project-based learning. If you want the source code, then please do check out in the description. This video is a part of our HTML and CSS Beginners Guide course, so please do check out our playlist. Like this video, share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding, everyone.